Here's a recipe for Gaeng Jued, a traditional Thai clear soup that is light, nutritious, and easy to prepare. This soup is often enjoyed as a comforting dish and is perfect for a simple, healthy meal. Ingredients. For the soup: 200 g ground pork or chicken, optional for a non-vegetarian version. 1 block, 200 g, soft tofu, cut into small cubes. 1 medium carrot, sliced into thin rounds. 1 small onion, sliced thinly. 1 cup Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage, chopped. Half a cup glass noodles, mung bean vermicelli, soaked in water for 10 minutes and drained. 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoons fish sauce, optional for a non-vegetarian version. Half a teaspoon white pepper. 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 1 to 2 green onions, chopped for garnish. Fresh cilantro, chopped for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the meatballs, if using. Mix the ground meat. In a bowl, combine the ground pork or chicken with half of the minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix well. Form meatballs. Roll the meat mixture into small meatballs, about 1 inch in diameter, and set aside. Cook the soup. Sauté garlic. In a large pot, heat a small amount of oil over medium heat. Add the remaining minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, but not browned. Add broth. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth and bring it to a boil. Cook the meatballs. If using, gently add the prepared meatballs to the boiling broth. Let them cook for about 5 minutes until they are cooked through and float to the surface. Add vegetables. Add the sliced carrot, onion, and cabbage to the pot. Let the soup simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Add tofu and noodles. Gently add the tofu cubes and the soaked glass noodles to the soup. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are soft. Season the soup. Add the remaining soy sauce, fish sauce if using, and white pepper. Adjust the seasoning to taste. Serve. Garnish. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with chopped green onions and fresh cilantro. Serve hot. Enjoy Gaeng Jued as a light and comforting meal, either on its own or as part of a larger Thai meal. Tips. You can customize Gaeng Jued by adding other vegetables like mushrooms, zucchini, or bok choy. For a vegetarian version, omit the meatballs and use vegetable broth and soy sauce for seasoning. Enjoy your homemade Gaeng Jued, a clear and light Thai soup that's perfect for any occasion. Gaeng Jued, also known as Thai clear soup, is a light and mild soup that serves as a comforting dish in Thai cuisine. It is often referred to as bland or plain soup, but this simplicity is precisely what makes it a beloved dish, especially in Thai households. Key elements. Broth. Clear and light. The broth in Gaeng Jued is typically clear and lightly seasoned, made from either chicken, pork, or vegetable stock. The broth serves as a gentle base that allows the flavors of the added ingredients to shine without overpowering them. Ingredients. Tofu. Soft or medium-firm tofu is a common ingredient, adding a silky texture and absorbing the flavors of the broth. Vegetables. A variety of vegetables such as Napa cabbage, carrots, and onions are often included. These vegetables are chosen for their ability to soften and sweeten the broth as they cook. Glass noodles, also known as mung bean vermicelli, these noodles become soft and slightly translucent when cooked, adding a delicate texture to the soup. Protein. Small meatballs made from ground pork or chicken are frequently added to the soup. For a vegetarian version, the meatballs are omitted, and the focus is on the tofu and vegetables. Seasoning. Subtle flavors. Gaeng Jued is typically seasoned with soy sauce, fish sauce, in non-vegetarian versions, and white pepper. The seasoning is kept light to maintain the soup's mild and soothing character. Aromatics. Garlic is often sautéed at the beginning of the cooking process to infuse the broth with a gentle aroma. Cultural significance. Gaeng Jued is a staple in Thai households, especially when a light, easy-to-digest meal is desired. It is often served as part of a larger meal, complementing spicier or richer dishes. Its mild flavor makes it suitable for all ages, and it is often given to children, the elderly, or anyone feeling under the weather. Experience. Eating Gaeng Jued is a comforting experience. The soup is warm and soothing, with a delicate balance of flavors that calm the palate. The clear broth, tender vegetables, and soft tofu create a satisfying yet light meal, perfect for those seeking comfort without heaviness. Versatility. Gaeng Jued is a versatile dish that can be easily adapted to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Additional vegetables, such as mushrooms or zucchini, can be added, or the soup can be made entirely vegetarian by omitting meat and using vegetable broth. Overall, Gaeng Jued is a simple yet nourishing dish that exemplifies the Thai culinary philosophy of balance and harmony in food. Its gentle flavors and comforting qualities make it a beloved dish in Thai cuisine, perfect for any occasion.